Beautiful, welcome back. Look at my hand. So I'm pretty sure that I need to buff first, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna buff all of my nails. I have these little square little buffers, so I'm gonna try that. And I do want to push my cuticle back a little bit. There's a fan. If you hear white noise, there's a little fan going on in the background. I actually have it blowing on my plants because I just watered them and airflow is really good for them. You kind of want to create the environment that they're normally in, like outside. So I have a little bit of like breeze hitting the plants and you know. Okay, so I'm going to just push the cuticle back a little bit. I don't know that we really need to. Yeah, and then I'll buff, and then we want to dehydrate and then apply this as a base coat and then cure, and then we'll get into applying the set. So how has life been treating you? What were you up to this summer? We didn't really do much this summer. I've always had really sensitive cuticles, like in the cuticle area. I don't know why. Like when I've gotten my done nails in the past, I'll be okay. When I've gotten my nails done in the past, I haven't eaten yet. I did have coffee, so I don't have an excuse as far as that, but that was weird. As I was saying, when I've gotten my nails done in the past and they go in around the cuticle, just, I don't know. Some people don't really need any kind of like aggressive stuff going on around that skin. Around that area, I should say. I don't really know what this is doing for me, but we're gonna do it just in case. Okay. So now I'm gonna take this and buff because we need a nice etched surface. I'm trying to install an update on my iPad. I haven't turned it on for a long time, pretty much for how long I've taken a break. So I just got done applying the peel off base on all 10 nails. I'm not sure what shape I want to do. Hold on, let me check. I haven't seen this shape a lot. As of late, I see a lot of like stiletto and nails. What are these? Actually, these are square. No, I want to do the coffin shape. I don't know if I have them actually. Do I? Sculpt I want to do these because they are long. So I'm going to go in with the, let's read it off here. The Extend Gel. Okay. And basically you're just going to apply this. It's going to be your nail glue to apply the tips. And with, this is a tip prep primer. You add it to here. It basically eliminates the step of having to etch the bottom. And you just put that on there until you see how you kind of see the number and melt away. That's good enough. Now I'm gonna add this. And a little more to the middle. It's like the highest point. I'm not really worried about bubbles. Okay. So I'm gonna come up here first and press and go down and cure. Go in and file all the tips and some of the sides if I need to. Hey girl, still here? Okay, I dusted the debris away. I'm going to go in with this patting gel I got on Amazon, and we're going to pat the entire surface of the nail with this color. I don't know if it showed what color I'm using on there, but you can see it on the palette there, on all 10 nails.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life. In another life, someone must have really put me up, like caused my heart to stop in another life, in another life.
So before I put it into cure, I'm going to clean the edges.
Keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get. I don't know why, I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit.
I'm gonna do the same thing to all 10 nails.
Hey, I am actually editing and I noticed that I didn't talk about what I was doing. So once I cured, after I did the patting gel on the full nail, I went in with white to conceal the center and create kind of an ombre effect. So that part of the nail looks like it's kind of raised, sort of like an aura look, but not. And yeah, just wanted to pop in and tell you. Once I do this, I think I do 2 coats. I cure and then I go in and I apply a cat eye gel polish. I kind of mess with that a little bit, cure, and then I go in to do the 3D effect with gel.
I got an issue with trust, really bad at opening up. issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. The reason doesn't mean no. It keeps feeling like everybody keeps winning. The world keeps on spinning, but without me. But without me, oh. It keeps feeling like I still blind to something that everybody else seems to see. Everybody but me, oh. It keeps feeling like I can feel it all. Tell myself that I'm better off being free. Yeah. But really, I'm just afraid that true love's afraid. Do with the fear. 'Cause yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. There isn't this of me in the world. Oh, yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Isn't this an issue for both?
Okay, I just got scared because my battery died and I thought I didn't catch everything I did, but I did. So I'm just gonna go in and finish these and do the same thing. And then I'll check again and make sure my phones are actually charging.
Love this cuticle oil. Just wanted to share. But this is the end result. Let's take a moment right here. Right here. Look at that. This is a satin aura 3D effect, all in one set. Very pretty, classy, and very simple to do, you guys. If you try it, I would love to see your version of it or your take on it. You can post it on the community tab. It is so hard to say bye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in next week's video.